Grade 8, so I'm on page 60 of your accounting booklets, busy with task 2, and this is the CPJ of Stranger Things. Okay, and they're in the pest control business. There's a couple of transactions here. On the 4th, these are the dates that it happens, and I'm doing a CPJ cash payments journal. Okay, check 001 was issued to pay Hawkins Stores 20,700. This was for equipment, 18,000, and stationery. Now the check was made out for 20,700, and that can be divided into the equipment of 18,000 rand. Therefore, the stationery must be 2,700. Okay, so I'm going to write it down here at the bottom, and it is C001. The source document, but this is a check counterfoil, not a check, because the source document that you keep is a check counterfoil. Day 4, the payee or person that you are paying is Hawkins Stores. In the bank you put 20,700, and now there's no columns for equipment or stationery, so we put it here right at the back in sundry accounts. Sundry means many accounts. There's 18,000, and we write equipment in the details, and 2,700, and we write stationery. On the 17th, we bought pesticides from Duffer Brothers at 8,000 rand, and also paid by check. Now, if the first check was 001, the second check must be 002, which I'm going to show to you just now. Okay, so there is it, 002. The check that we're looking at, and day 17, the Duffer Brothers is the payee, and we put it in bank, and there is an account for consumable goods, because pesticides is consumable goods. Now on the 25th, paid the weekly wages. That's always a cash check, 4,500. Okay, so C003, the 25th, it's a cash check, so we write cash, we don't write any other payee's name, put it in bank, and there is a column, so we put it in the wages column. That was the 25th. Okay, on the same day, the owner will buy as cash the check and pay Telkom for the following: 700 rand for business telephone account, and 500 rand for personal bank account. Now, if it's for business, then we call the account telephone. But anything that's for personal use, we don't write telephone account, we write drawings. So you can write the drawings next to it. Okay, drawings. So if I look here at the bottom, sorry, I made a bit of mistake there, but check counterfoil 004. And we don't write the name of the person or anything else or cash, we write Telkom, because we are paying Telkom. They are the payees. 1,200 because the check, it's one check made out to for both things, but it's only one check to Telkom. We put it in bank, and then there's no columns for telephone or drawings here, so we have to put it right at the back, and you will see there's over 2 lines, telephone at the back 700 rand, and drawings 500 rand. Okay, so the two of them is split up, the 1,200 is split up into those two. Then last transaction for this example, or for this task, is the 30th issued a check to Polywalk Insurers in payment of an insurance premium, but the account is called insurance, 3,000 rand. So right at the back we write check counterfoil 005, 30th Polywalk Insurers, 3,000 in bank, and 3,000 rand in insurance right at the back. So what do we do now? We add them up. 37,400 in bank, wages 4,500, consumable goods 8,000, and sundry accounts 24,900. Just remember that these other accounts are all amounts that was paid by the bank. So if you add them all together, they must be 37,400, and then must be 37,400, and that must be equal to the amount in the bank, because the bank paid wages, consumable goods, and all these other accounts right here at the back. Okay, so that was page 60.